Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix up some cracks in a water or cattle water. So my neighbors gave me this. They have cattle that has some cracks, one here and one over here, and they can't use it. So they gave it to me and I said, you know, I'll use it for a brooder or something like that because you can put chicks in there, but I kind of want to use it as a water. So we're going to try to get some JB Weld and see if that'll repair it. Let's find out. Get this at the store for about 10 bucks. It's a pretty big usage that you can use over and over. So we'll just go ahead and try that. Just mix it 50-50 and then go ahead and apply and wait and see what happens. Okay, since this is a bigger side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean up around this. So I want this to adhere as best we can. We're going to let it dry. We're going to use a clamp to hold it together the best we can while it's drying. I think this will work out pretty well. Just got some clamps. Try that out. There we go. Alright, so we're going to let this dry for a couple hours, hour to a couple hours, come back, check it, then we're going to apply a second coat. After that, we're going to let it cure overnight, then we're going to try to fill it up with water and see how it holds. Alright. Alright, so it's the next day and everything's dried pretty well. We're going to put another coat on, but before that we have to address this problem. So this crack right here is never going to be repaired by JB Weld. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some pipe strap on here, something like that, and we're going to put some bolts through here to hold to tie it together. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to cut just like 4 of these off. Yeah, something like that. Drill a hole. Get yourself a bolt, the locking nut. Alright, so I got the other side on real quick, and now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put a second coat on here, and then we're going to call it good. Alright, we'll check it back in a few hours and see what's going on. Maybe another coat, maybe not. Probably water. Alright. Alright, so moment of truth. We applied 2 applications to both sides of JB Weld, and we put these metal hanger clips here to hold this from ripping again, and we're gonna fill her up with water and see if she holds. I ended up walking away from this, and I forgot all about it. I came back maybe a half hour later, and it was already full. So by the time I got back, the hose had already fell out, and there was no leaks. So I'd say JB Weld worked out pretty well, and definitely recommend doing this if you can. If you learned anything new from this video or you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you did. And if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be putting new videos out every week. Thanks for watching.